Good morning, students. In the previous lessons of moral science, we took information about the nature, sports, faith, equality. Today, we are going to start a new lesson. Lesson number 7, Value of Science. In this lesson, we are going to learn how science changes our life. Let's start this lesson. Page number 32, lesson number 7, Value of Science. Man lived in a society from a nomadic age. He lived very simple at first. Are you able to see here? No modern dresses, houses, transportation system was there. Man lived in a caves. The life was human in a past was very simple. As the innovations start, his life slowly changed and today's civilization formed. Big houses, transportation system, infrastructure, industries, all these things come into the society due to the innovations into the science. Okay. Science brought many luxurious and comforts in the human's life. Before some years, very rich persons also could not think about it. All that things now the common person get. How it is? Take one example. Kings, queen lived in a palaces in a medieval period. They were very rich. They have lot of money with them. But at night they have to use lamp. No light was there. Have that time light? No. They have to use the lamp. Many rich persons were there. Hmm? They want to move from a one place to the another place. They have money, they were rich, but they need a more time to move from a one place to the another place. Why? Because transportation system was not there that time. They have to use the human or animals to move from a one place to the another place. But today, the common people who are the poor, they also use the electricity as well as they use the transportation system, and due to this their life become more comfort with compared to the past people. Understood this? In a past, who were the rich who have a lot of money, they could not think about it, but today we are getting that facility due to the innovations into the science. We are living a luxurious life today, comfortable life today with compared to them who are living in a medieval period or in a past time. Understood this? Okay. Science is very important in our daily routine life. Yes, we cannot walk a single step without the science. From morning to night, we need a science. Is it true? Yes, at morning you wake up, you need an alarm. Yes, for it is the science. You want to brush your teeth, it is depend upon the industry. It is also a science. You want to move from house to school, you need the van. It is based on science. The road, transportation, things made into the house, all these need the science. Means from day to day life, from morning to night, we need the science. That's why our life is depend upon the science. The innovations of the science in the field of industry, infrastructure, transportation, medicine, machines, employment, education, agriculture are very important for the human life. Human life is totally changed due to this. Imagine a person who were living into the past and the today's life. Their life changed, their dressing, eating pattern, housing pattern, all these things changed due to the science. Science changed our governance system, education system, more transparency come into the governance, education system become more scientific, Our old socio-cultured system had many impurities, yes, that we removed with the help of science and technology. A life without a science we cannot imagine. Today, from morning to night means from birth of the person till death, the science is important. A life without a science is like taking a tea without a sugar. Are you agree with this? Okay. The science is committed to the principles of thought or principle of truth. Its judgments are invisible but based on the facts. Take an example. hmm, Everywhere on the earth, air is present. Are you able to see this air? No one can able to see this air, but science can prove the presence of air in the atmosphere by the experiment. Are you agree with this? In a previous class, you learned that experiment with the balloon, how we can find out that the air have the weight and presence of air into the atmosphere. Yes or no? Anything are you remembering? Okay, means you know that. The truth is not only moral value respected by the science, but goodness, beauty, right conduct, and the freedom of the thoughts are also precious for the science. So, science is very important for our life. Science reveals its moral concern in another respect as well. It changes our thought process, socio-culture life. People was very particular about their religion in the past. Many trades and the customs were followed by the society. Many wrong customs were followed like untouchability, caste system into the past. Due to the evolution into the science, many people come together and these wrong beliefs, wrong customs were removed into the society. For example, upper society people did not touch to the lower caste. It is known as the untouchability. But due to the transportation system, they come together. Many religious people move from one place to the another place with the help of train, bus. That time they do not ask another their religion, and untouchability slowly removed from the society. Means science help to remove some wrong beliefs, wrong customs into the society and gathered the people at a once. Okay, understood this? Many religions' wrong belief were cancelled due to the science. Science give a new idea of thoughts and freedom to the people. Here, the equality increased due to the science. Before that, people were not ready to move from the one place to the another place because transportation system was not good, not have the internet. That time they were not ready to read or understood the languages of other. But today the transportation system was very fast, the internet is available. Due to that we are able to learn anything from the world. So the whatever the good things are there in a society we are able to understood, and we can change our thoughts, idea, exchange with the another ones. Due to this, whole world become a one or it comes together. Understood this? Okay. Every coin have two sides. As the science have many advantages as well as some disadvantages also. Yes, can you guess Which advantages that science have? Okay, let's learn it. With the progress into the human life, weapons also modified. First, war was occurred between a limited people with limited arms and the destroyed weapons. But today, guns, tanks, missile, nuclear bombs, like this weapon used into the wars, and due to this a many peoples were died and the surrounding area also destroyed. Yes, one on the everyone on the earth, they live in a fear of war. Everyone think many times war occurred between two countries, more than two countries, and many people died due to the war. People get feared due to this war. They don't want the war should be start again. Yes or no? Many new types of war innovated today, like atomic war, biochemical war. They were very harmful for the humanity. Due to the war, the civilization come to an end. So, it is a major disadvantages of science that the war material evolved. Okay. For the better life of a human, science made many medicines. Due to this, the diseases get cured, but many problems arose like the cancer, fatness, genetic changes due to the medicine. Means on a one side we are getting cured due to these medicines, as well as on the another side we have to face some problems due to using these medicines. Means it is a disadvantages of science that due to the medicines many changes occurred into the human body. Due to the excessive interference into the natural activities, the routine pattern of nature are changed. Due to this, many natural calamities occurred like drought, heavy rains, storms, etc. Many times you read these things into the newspaper. Yes? Okay. Sir Stratford Kingfield said about the development of a British civilization. What he said about this? Hmm? Sir Stratford Wingfield said about the British development. Whatever the British colonies were there, their developments occurred. That time, the Wingfield said some important lines about the British colonies. Many countries were adopted or conquered by the British area. So, the British Empire, known as the sun never sets on it. Are you able to see in the first one? A lot of countries, their symbol shown to you where the British colonies was there, and the British started their developments, industrial developments also, colonization also. That's why some important lines were given by the Stratford Wingfields. What is said? Trouble with the science today is that it has improved the involvement of the man, but not the man itself. What is the meaning of it? Hmm? This line was very true. Due to the science, the environment or the area around us was totally changed, developed. But can human develop? Are you thinking that the human developed due to the science? Hmm? No. Today also many wrong things arose in a society. Are you able to see that things? Robberies are there, wars were there, as well as rape were there. Means all that negative things occurred into the society Though the science made many evolutions, many progress. Why it's occur? Because science changed the surrounding of you, but the values needed to change a human. That things given by the Wingfoot. Okay. Science can change the physical things around you, but we have to change the internally. Values like truth, honesty, peace, we have to develop for the bright future. If we not develop these things, then the progress of science become null. Understood this? In the next period, we will write question and answers of this lesson. Okay, read this lesson carefully. Any problem is there, call to me. Thank you.